Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Fc8t9 LED is probably one of the most versatile and powerful lighting solutions available today, designed to illuminate your space with unparalleled brightness and clarity, making it an essential addition for anyone looking to upgrade their home or workspace with cutting-edge illumination technology that promises both efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Number 5. Feit Electric 8-inch LED Circular Tube T9 Replacement. Convert your existing fluorescent fixture to LED technology with our plug-and-play tubes. Installation is simple, requiring no fixture rewiring to enjoy superior light output while using less energy. Experience vibrant cool white light, perfect for illuminating your workspaces and task areas. This light provides excellent clarity for any application. This energy-saving bulb uses only 15 watts but provides the brightness of a 22-watt equivalent. It offers instant on and is safe for artwork as it emits no UV light. Enjoy up to 25,000 hours of reliable illumination, lasting over 22 years. This significantly reduces energy costs and the hassle of frequent replacements. We uphold the highest standards for performance and safety. With over 40 years of experience, we are leaders in lighting innovation. Get instant full brightness, even in cold temperatures. It also operates with relatively cool running performance, enhancing safety and comfort. What we like. This one is all about convenience and safety. It's a direct replacement for your old fluorescent tubes, meaning no complicated rewiring. If you're looking for an easy upgrade that offers instant brightness and runs cooler than traditional bulbs, this is a great choice. Plus, it's mercury-free, making it a safer option for any room. What people say. The Fc8t9 LED has a very bright and clear light output, making it excellent for illuminating dark areas. Installation of the Fc8t9 LED was straightforward and took only a few minutes. The durable construction of the Fc8t9 LED ensures it can withstand outdoor conditions. Number 4. Circular Bulb Fc8t9 DL 8-inch T922W. Introducing our 8-inch T9 circular fluorescent bulbs. Experience super bright, energy-saving illumination perfect for any room. These 22-watt bulbs feature a standard 4-pin base, ensuring a simple replacement for your existing fixtures. Enjoy a crisp, daylight spectrum of 6400 K, providing excellent color rendering for your environment. With an average lifespan of 16,000 hours, these bulbs offer reliable and long-lasting performance. Ideal as a replacement for various 8-inch T922W circular bulbs, they fit seamlessly into ceiling light fixtures. These bulbs deliver an impressive 1250 lumens, providing ample light for kitchens, bathrooms, and more. What we like. If you prefer a bright, natural daylight feel, this bulb is for you. Its triphosphor technology ensures good color rendering, and with a 16,000-hour lifespan, it's built to last. Consider this if you need vibrant lighting for tasks or want a crisp, clean look in your space. What people say. The Fc8t9 LED has a sleek and modern design that complements any room decor. Its energy-efficient LED technology significantly reduces electricity consumption, leading to lower utility bills. The adjustable brightness feature allows users to customize the lighting to their specific needs, creating the perfect ambience. Number 3. NYLL 8-inch T9 Circline LED Lamp. Tired of complicated lighting upgrades? This LED lamp offers a simple plug-and-play solution. It directly replaces your old fluorescent bulbs without any rewiring, saving you time and hassle. Experience lighting that's easy on the eyes. It provides flicker-free and silent illumination, creating a comfortable environment. Plus, its high CRI ensures colors look true and vibrant. Make the switch to efficiency. This bulb drastically reduces energy consumption, cutting down your electricity usage by 45%. Enjoy bright light while saving money. No need to worry about compatibility. It works seamlessly with both magnetic and electronic ballasts. This ensures a smooth transition to LED technology for your existing fixtures. Invest with confidence in this durable lighting solution. It's built to last and comes with a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. We're here to support you. What we like. For a cozy and energy-efficient lighting solution, this bulb is ideal. It offers a warm white glow, perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere. If you're aiming to significantly cut down on energy costs while enjoying comfortable lighting, and appreciate the peace of mind from a warranty, this is a strong contender. What people say. The Fc8t9 LED has a sleek and modern design that complements any room decor. Its energy-efficient LED technology significantly reduces electricity consumption, leading to lower utility bills. The adjustable brightness and color temperature settings allow for a customized lighting experience, perfect for various activities. Number 2. T9 LED Circline Light Bulb 8-inch. Introducing the T9 LED Circline Light Bulb. Experience superior brightness with its double-row LED design, ensuring uniform light without shadows. It's designed to be a direct, easy replacement for your old fluorescent circular bulbs. Unlike single-row designs, this bulb features 128 high-quality SMD LEDs. This configuration provides significantly brighter and more even illumination, making it perfect for various lighting needs, including photography. Upgrading is a breeze with its G10Q 4-pin base, designed to fit seamlessly where your old circular fluorescent lamp was. It also supports a wide voltage range of 85-265 VAC for broad compatibility. Engineered for durability, this bulb incorporates back air convection holes for efficient cooling. This feature helps maintain a lower operating temperature, slowing light decay and extending its lifespan. Feit is dedicated to providing quality LED lighting solutions. If you have any questions or need assistance, our team is here to help. We are committed to offering you excellent products and services. What we like. This bulb stands out with its double row of LEDs, providing exceptionally uniform and shadow-free illumination. If you need bright, consistent light, especially for detailed tasks or even photography, this is an excellent option. Its innovative cooling design also promises a longer lifespan. What people say. This LED light runs directly off the 110-volt AC power, so no other electrical components were needed. I ordered the 5000K lamp and it is a nice bright warm white, just like sunlight, not a cold white fluorescent light, and it is much brighter than the old Circline fluorescent bulb. This wired right in and provides plenty of light for the bedroom. Number 1. LED T9 Circline Light Bulb 8-inch. Experience natural, non-flickering light that's easy on your eyes. This bulb provides comfortable illumination with its 112 LED chips, delivering 1,300 lumens of brightness. Achieve a clean and lively look with its 5000K daylight white color temperature. It offers superior color clarity compared to warmer tones, perfect for any time of day. Replacing your old fluorescent bulbs is a breeze. It features a G10Q 4-pin socket and comes with wire terminals for a quick and easy connection to your power source. Built with an all-aluminum shell and designed for excellent heat dissipation. This ensures a longer service life, providing reliable lighting for years to come. Ideal for a wide range of uses, from kitchens and garages to offices and reading lamps. It's a perfect replacement for circular fluorescent bulbs in various settings. Upgrade your lighting and save energy. This bulb is a direct replacement for 22W fluorescent bulbs, offering a more efficient lighting solution. What we like. If you're looking for a modern, clean, and vibrant light, this 5000K daylight bulb is a fantastic choice. It offers high color clarity, making colors appear more natural. Crucially, it requires ballast bypass, which can lead to even greater energy savings and a simpler, more reliable setup long-term. What people say. The Fc8t9 LED has a very bright light output. The design of the Fc8t9 LED is sleek and modern, fitting well with various decors. Installation of the Fc8t9 LED was straightforward and took only a few minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.